Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint PIG on KGen. First, make sure you have a compatible crypto wallet, like MetaMask, set up and connected to the KGen platform. You'll also need to ensure your wallet holds enough KGen tokens to cover the minting cost and any associated network fees. Once ready, locate the specific PIG minting interface on the KGen website to begin the process. Next, you'll specify the number of PIG tokens you wish to mint. The platform will then display a summary of your transaction, detailing the total KGen required and any gas fees. Carefully review these details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, you will be prompted to confirm the transaction through your connected wallet. This usually involves a quick pop-up where you approve the action. After confirming, allow a few moments for the transaction to process on the blockchain. You can then verify your newly minted PIG tokens by checking your wallet balance. Most wallets will automatically display them. Additionally, the KGen platform often provides a transaction history where you can see the status of your mint. For advanced verification, use a block explorer to confirm the transaction details. To ensure a smooth experience, always double-check all transaction details before confirming, especially the amount of PIG you are minting. Make sure you have a little extra KGen in your wallet to cover potential network fees, which can fluctuate. If you encounter any unexpected errors or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the KGen platform's official support channels for assistance. Happy minting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.